Assalamu alaikum. My name is Noshin Abbas. I am the student of the MA English fourth semester. Now I would like to discuss about the novel Moth Smoke by Mohsen Hamid. First of all, I would like to tell about the characters of the novel. The first of all, first character is Dara Shiku. Dara Shiku Shehzad. Is the nickname is Daru. He is a protagonist of the novel and represent of the middle class family. He worked in the bank. He was a boxer. Becomes a heroin addicted. Falls in love with the best friend's wife. Indulge a drug dealing and crimes also. Second one is the Aurangzeb, nicknamed Ozzy. He was the best friend of the Daru since his childhood. Moves to America and did MBA and later on gets a marriage there, and he has also one son. But the Aurangzeb was the corrupt was the son of a corrupt father, but his father was very rich husband of Mumtaz. But later on we will see that the Daru fell in love with Mumtaz. That was not a good point in the novel. He believes in the power of money because of the rich and corrupted father. He believes that money is the power. Next one is Mumtaz, symbol of westernized woman in Pakistan. She was the wife of Ozzy, and the son, he has a son. They met in the New York and they studied together there. And after that, they married. They get gotten to be married there. But later on, she fell in love with the Daru. But she has the two personalities are representing, that is hidden personality as a journalist, and she was using the name of Zulfikar Mento. Murad Basha is most influential person in the Daru's life. He was a MA pass rickshaw driver because he has no job and he was a corrupt person. Daru not only to be drug dealer but make a thief also to Daru. Overall, he was a sincere person. We will see in the later on the novel how he shows his sincerity with Daru. There are some minor characters in the novel also. Raider is nickname was Raider's real name was the Heather. He was a colleague in the bank and the drug supplier to the elite class also. Muazzam was the unfortunate son of Mumtaz because he was the deprived of the real love of his mother. His mother fell in love with the Daru and did not pay attention as his son deserves. So we can see he was the unfortunate son of Mumtaz. Malik, his check gets delay and due to Daru lost his job. Malik was a rich person. He want to pay a check, but it was delay, and due to the Daru shows his loose temper, and in this case, Daru has lost his job. Uncle Khurram was Ozzy's corrupt father. He takes care of Daru since his childhood and take care of his toys, clothes, and everything, even study. Daru was a very intelligent person, but the Uncle Khurram sent Ozzy in the New York for further study, except of Daru. But he helps him to get the job in the bank. Munuki is a loyal servant of the Daru. Then we will see the most smoke summary very briefly. Daru is in the prison for the crime he never committed. We will see when the novel opens, Daru is in the prison and he got a letter from a person there. He is there in the crime he has not committed. That was the crime done by Ozzy. Ozzy has hit a boy with his Prado car and ran away. But the Daru took this boy to the hospital, but the boy did not survive and he died. But in this suspicious, the police has arrested the Daru. Daru's perspective. Daru's perspective, the story starts with the Daru's perspective because Daru is the main character of the novel. A visit to an old friend. Ozzy was his childhood old friend and he has gone to the New York for further study and came back with his beautiful wife and a son. And Daru then came to meet him when he came to know that his old friend has came back. He came to meet him, but he feels jealous, too much jealous with his wealth, his money, his success, even his beautiful wife also. Jobless, Daru got jobless because a very rich person, Malik, has came there and his check was delayed. Daru shows the loose temper with the Malik, and Malik has become the um, uh, we can say that Malik complained about the Daru, and Daru was the gotten the jobless there. Daru as a drug dealer. Daru becomes after the jobless, being jobless. Daru dealing with drugs to the elite class and pupils, and the drug was given to Daru by the Murad Badshah. Murad Badshah is a rickshaw driver. He was educated person. He has done MA, but he deals with the drug. Heroin addicted. He was a heroin addicted. Daru not only deals with the drug, but he also becomes himself the heroin addicted also. Add fuel on fire on his misery. We can say that the fuel on fire on his misery is the major point in the novel, because when the Daru has not been able to pay the electricity bill, his AC connection has cut off, and he becomes this act becomes the fuel on fire on his miseries. Then we can see that class differences also. The AC and non-AC, there are two main class differences are shown in the novel. The AC, the air conditioned class, the AC air conditioned class is the symbol of the elite class because they can enjoy the weather like the Switzerland in the hot summer days. Even they cover themselves with the blankets in the hot summer days when they rain on the ACs, because they can afford it. And the non air conditioned class is the middle class who cannot afford the AC. The writer presented the class differences in the two major theme is air conditioned class and non air conditioned class. And class differences, Daru has faced the class differences also when he was jobless and miserable condition. He sees that there was a party. Ozzy has given a party to his friends and Daru was not invited there. He feels his miseries and he fell in depression also. Marital problem and affairs. The marital problems and affairs are also a part of this novel. Then Mumtaz and Ozzy has the marital problems and affairs in their lives. They felt that they cannot live it together and they have not the matched their minds. Ozzy hit a boy and ran away. Ozzy has hit the boy with his Prado and ran away. But the Daru took the boy to the hospital. The boy did not survive and died. But in this suspension, the police has arrested the Daru. And finally, Daru has um, becomes the drug dealers and the addicted and losing his respect by the beaten a young boy's father. He has lost his respect also when a boy's father has came to his house and beaten the Daru because of selling the drugs to his young boy. Robbery. Daru next day from the next day, Daru robbed in the same bank where he has done the job. He robbed the money, and when he was raining, he has shooted a boy. Arrest. The next day he was arrested, but there was a contradiction in the arrestness of Daru, because he was not arrested for the killing of that boy was in the bank. He was arrested the boy that was Ozzy has hit it by his car, and Daru has Daru has taken him to the hospital, and the boy has not survived and died. And in the suspicious as a suspicious person, the police has arrested to the Daru. Ozzy and Mumtaz separate. Ozzy and Mumtaz realized that they cannot live together, and they decided to be the separate, because Ozzy is known as the air conditioned class, elite class, and Mumtaz did not like the air conditioned class. She likes the non air conditioned class. As the we can see in the novel, as the writer had presented two main classes, elite class and non elite class. Then investigation as Zulfikar Mento. Zulfikar Mento investigate the case of Daru, and Zulfikar Mento is the second personality of the same Mumtaz. She is using the name of Zulfikar Mento as the other personality as a journalist. Murad Basha gave his share. Murad Basha shows his sincerity, and when Daru came out, Murad Basha gave him the share and give him the opportunity to live his life happily. There is a significant and symbols of the novel Mooth and Smoke. Mooth is the name of an insect, and smoke is we can compensate it with a candle also. Mooth is a as insect that with the desire he with the desire he touched the candle, and with the smoke he gets to killed. But in the novel we will see that the mooth is the lust, desire, greed, attraction of the pupils, and smoke is the dreams, their desires. When the pupil cannot get their dreams, they become like the smoke, and mooth is their wishes, desires. They ran behind their desires blindly, like the mooth insect. There are themes in the novel. Self-destruction. The persons who are the symbol of the self-destruction in the novel are Daru and Mumtaz. Daru is a self-destructed person because because of his loose temper. He has lost his job. He deals drugs. He becomes addicted of drugs. He did not think about his future, and he became the self destruction by himself. And as well, Mumtaz also did not realize that she has the wrong relation with the Daru, and it will ruin his married life. Rivalry is a competition. He is a competition. Daru has the rivalry with Ozzy. He wants the Prado, he wants wealth, success, and even his beautiful wife also. And he does the unfair relation with his wife Mumtaz. Materialism is the main theme in the novel, also presented by the Mohsin Hamid. Money, happiness, and elite class. That are the major points of materialism. And this novel is presenting the Lahore city, and the Mohsin Hamid specially point out the Lahore elite class in the novel. Materialism, money, and that was also the materialism's examples. Class conflict is the air conditioned class and non air conditioned class. There is conflict in between the elite class and non elite class, middle class. Air conditioned class are the people of those who can enjoy the summer weather, like Switzerland, when they can afford the air condition in their houses, and non-elite class can't afford the air condition, and they are the middle class pupils. Power greed and lust is the also a very common theme in the novel. Daru lust for money, and because of its lust he adopted every unfair thing. Aussie power of money used in the novel. Murad Basha has greed for money. Murad Basha has greed for money, and in this case, he deals with drugs. He sells drugs, and even becomes the addiction of the drugs. Unemployment, Daru and Murad Basha and their criminal lives. Unemployment is the major problem in the Pakistan also, because Daru and Murad Basha has the unemployed people of the society, and because of their and many other criminal people are in unemployed people, because Pakistan this is the major problem, as Daru was jobless and Murad Basha, even he has passed the MA, but he has running a rickshaw as a rickshaw driver, and they started to do selling the drugs and become drugs addictions. Addiction, heroin, drinking and smoking, elite class and disappointed pupil. Now we can say that there are reason of the addiction are two reasons. Because elite class also becomes the addiction of the heroin, drinking and smoking, because they have money, they have desires, lust, and and on other way some disappointed people use the addictions because of their miserable condition, etc. Infidelity, external sex. Infidelity is the also a theme of the novel, because Mumtaz and Ozzy has not a good relation, and Mumtaz does the infidelity with the Ozzy, and she cross all the limits with the Daru in wrong relation, even sex also. Money talks in Pakistan. Ozzy say he can compensate the family of the killed boy. Money talks in Pakistan is a very sensitive issue of the Pakistan, we can say, because when the Ozzy hits the boy with his car and ran away, but at the end he said that he compensated to his family with the money. And that was from my side. Thank you. Hope you all understand and enjoy it.